Hi, BrainSnax explorers. Teacher Rob here. Are you ready for a big adventure? Today we're going to the airport. Let's learn what you need to bring and what you need to do to go on a flight. Part 1. Things you need. Before you can fly, you need to pack some important things. Here they are. First, suitcase. This holds your clothes, shoes, and anything else you'll need on your trip. Make sure it's packed and ready to go. Suitcase. Next, we need a passport. If you're flying to another country, you'll need a passport. It shows your name, photo, and where you're from. You can't get on an airplane without it. Passport. Next, flight ticket. This is your ticket to ride the airplane. It tells you when your flight is and which seat you'll sit in. Maybe you can have a window seat. Flight ticket. Foreign currency. If you're going to another country, their money might look different from yours. You'll need their kind of money if you want to buy their things. Foreign currency. Do you got everything packed already? Great! Now it's time to go on your journey. Let's find out what happens at the airport. Part 2. Things you need to do. Here are the steps to follow when you're flying somewhere. Number 1. Buy your flight ticket. A grown-up helps with this. Choose where you want to go and when you want to fly, and buy your ticket. Buy your flight ticket. Number 2. Pack your suitcase. Don't forget your clothes, your toothbrush, and maybe a book or a toy for your trip. Pack your suitcase. Number 3. Go to the airport. You can get there in a car, a bus, a taxi, or even a train. Airports are big places with lots of people and planes. Make sure you get there on time so you don't miss your flight. Go to the airport. Number 4. Check in and weigh your luggage. This is where you show your ticket and your passport. They take your big suitcase and make sure it's not too heavy, and then they put it in the plane for you for the flight. Check in and weigh your luggage. Number 5. Go through the security check. This keeps everyone safe. You put your backpack or your carry-on luggage and shoes on a belt and walk through a scanner while your luggage is x-rayed. It's quick and easy and keeps everyone safe. Go through the security check. Number 6. Change your money into foreign currency. If you're going to a new country, you'll need to trade your money for their money so that you can buy food or souvenirs. Change your money into foreign currency. Number 7. Wait in the departure lounge. Now you wait for your plane. You can read, play a game, or just relax until it's time to go. Wait in the departure lounge. Number 8. Board the airplane. When your flight is ready, it's time to line up and show your ticket. Then you can walk onto the airplane. Board the airplane. Number 9. Take off and relax. The plane goes up, up, up into the sky. You can look out the window or take a nap during the flight. After finishing everything at the airport, it's time to sit back and relax. Take off and relax. Number 10. Arrive at your destination. After the long flight, hooray! You've landed in a new place. Arrive at your destination. Number 11. Pick up your luggage. Go to a big spinning belt called baggage claim and grab your suitcase. Now your adventure can begin. Pick up your luggage. And that's how you go on a flight from your home all the way to a new country. Where would you like to fly? Go to my Facebook page and let me know. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. And keep snacking on BrainSnax, where we serve food for thought. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you next time.